Are you tired of grinding for every commission, chasing the latest shiny object, and still feeling like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? What if I told you there's a blueprint, tested, proven, and 100% beginner-friendly, that can unlock $700,000 a year in true passive income, and you don't need to write a single word or code a single line? Let me peel back the curtain on a game-changing AI affiliate system. This is the exact strategy Jitendra and Mike Filsaime use to pocket up to $2,000 a day. Yeah, you heard me right, $2,000 a day, mailbox money style. No client work, no chasing leads, just daily paydays, thanks to the power of AI and simple review sites. Inside their free webinar, you'll see how Jitendra went from SEO rookie to raking in 4.5 million clicks worldwide. He started with a plain blog, no fancy tech, no magic tricks. Today, it's a global income engine. He'll break down the exact niches he's dominating, from dating offers to software proxies, and trust me, the numbers will shock you. So, how does it work? 20 minutes a day. No writing, no coding, just follow the clicks. Mike actually builds a live affiliate site right in front of you, step by step. He'll show you how to pick a domain, set up hosting, choose a WordPress theme, and train AI to pump out ultra-targeted content that Google loves. Imagine building a full review page, SEO optimized, loaded with your affiliate links, demo videos, coupon blocks, all drag and drop simple. You hit publish and you're live. If you've ever struggled to finish a site, this part will blow your mind. You'll learn why WordPress is the secret SEO weapon nobody talks about. These sites aren't just pretty, they're laser optimized for rankings and conversions. Jitendra lays out how his A versus B versus C comparison pages send his commissions through the roof. You can literally build these in seconds and watch Google and buyers fall in love. Then, Mike reveals the AI-powered funnel that builds trust, converts more buyers, and delivers serious commissions. The best part? You don't need any tech skills. Everything's automated and ready to go. Wondering how to get traffic fast? They've got you covered. PPC hijacking, bonus stacking, automation hacks. Discover how just 100 daily visitors can put $75,000 a year in your pocket, and how AI can help you 10x that instantly. Ready to see the future of affiliate marketing? Hit the link below to watch the replay now, before this secret blueprint gets locked away. Don't miss your shot at mailbox money, powered by AI and proven by the pros.